So I got this smartwatch on Amazon and I absolutely love it. I think what I like most about it is the design. It has a really nice thin face, which I think it just looks really nice. I think some other smartwatches can look quite bulky, but this one has like that perfect balance between being thin, looking quite elegant, but also being very easy to read because it is still quite long. It has lots of different features on it. I could keep scrolling. And it's very easy to navigate like the main menu and to change the settings. The strap is very comfortable. It's a grey colour, lots and lots of holes there to, for different sizes. Yeah, nice comfortable strap. And it's very quick to charge and it holds charge for a long amount of time. I've got the charger here, so it comes with this cable and you just click it in on the back like that. And then the other part is a USB cable. So overall, really happy with this watch and I would definitely recommend it.